Hello students, welcome to class Maths. We have already started chapter number 10, sets, and in our previous class we have studied about what is set. Let us continue with exercise 10. Now what is your question? State whether or not the following elements form a set. If not, give reason. First one, all the easy problems in your textbook. Now look here, in the textbook, easy problems. Do you think this object belong to a set? The given object do not form a set. Why it do not form a set? The reason behind, some problems may be easy for one person but may not be easy to some other person. So we say that objects are not well defined and so the given object do not form a set. If I think one question which is easy for me but it may not be easy. So here the given object do not form a set. Second one, all the three-sided figure. Now look here, all three-sided figure. Which figure can become here? Three-sided figure, and all they have considered. So it will be considered as a triangle. So here the objects are well defined. We know the object which is given, it is well defined. So we can say that all the three-sided figure is your triangle. So it is well defined. So the given object form a set. To the next question. The first 5 counting number. Okay student, can you list them? Counting number first 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the first 5 counting number. That means it is well defined. And so the given object form a set. All the tall boys of your class. Now in a class, tall boys. Look here student, tall boys. Now tall, here the range of the height is not given to you. Which height can be considered as a tall? That means here the object are not well defined. Here tall is a relative term. So here this object do not form a set. Here objects are not well defined and so the given object do not form a set. Reason is that the reason of the height is not given. That is, it cannot be decided which boy is to be considered as a tall. So the given object do not form a set. Understood student this? Here only the tall boys is given but the range of the height is not given. So the objects are not properly well defined. So the object here do not form a set. Let's come to the next one. The last 3 days of a week. Okay, everybody know in a week there are 7 days. And which are the last days? Can you tell? Yes, it's Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So here the objects are well defined. So the given object form a set. I think student you have understood now whether the given object form a set or do not form a set. Let's see the next one. All triangles that are difficult to draw. Now student, do you think it is form a set? The reason is no, the objects are not well defined. Why it is not well defined? The reason is that it may be difficult for one student to draw a triangle but to other student it may not be difficult to draw the same triangle. What is the reason? It may be difficult for one student but it may not be difficult to draw another student to draw the same triangle. So here the given object do not form a set. The first three letters of English alphabet. You know alphabet, English alphabet, it is A to Z, and we want to write down first three letters. That means here the objects are well defined. So which are the first three letters? A, B and C. These are the first three letters of English alphabet. That means your objects are well defined, and so the given object form a set. Let's come to the question. All tasty fruits. Now look here. Tasty fruit. What is this tasty here? This is a relative term. Now this tasty fruit, it may be tasty to one person, but it may not be tasty to another person. So the object is not properly well defined. Reason is this only, that a fruit may be tasty for one person but may not be tasty to other person. So the given object do not form a set. Next one, all the clever boys of class 6. Now look here, clever boys. Now here this is not properly well defined. Clever means in what exactly clever it is. So the reason is clever in what respect? It's not clearly defined. So the given object do not form a set. Next one is all the good schools in Delhi. Now good school. Now here good, same again. All schools, it may be vary from person to person. So here the object is not properly well defined. Reason is that all the people cannot find the same school as a good school. So the given object do not form a set. So student, are you understanding? Come to the next one. 11th one. All the girls in your class whose height are less than our height. Now less than our height, we can easily find out the girls whose height is less than our height. So we can easily list. That means it is properly well defined. Here the objects are well defined. Therefore the given set or given object form a set. Student, understood this? Or what do you want to find out? All the girls in your class whose height are less than your height, our height. So from our height we can find out how many girls are there whose height is less than us. So that means the objects are properly well defined, because comparison is given of our height and other girls' height. So here the given object form a set. Next one. All the boys in your class whose height are more than our height. Again, our height more than it is given, and we want to find out all other boys in our own class whose height is more than. That means your objects are properly well defined, and so the given object form a set. Now the next one. All the problems in your mathematics books that are difficult for Amit. Now look here. In mathematics books, all the problems which are difficult only for Amit. So that means the object is properly well defined. Amit, whatever he is facing problem in any sum, that is difficult for him. Okay. Here it is given especially the name Amit. So he can easily list the sums which are difficult for him. That means here the objects are well defined, and the given object form a set. Okay student, I think you have understood this question, whether the given object form a set or not. Thank you.